Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, a sedan that continues to make waves in the automotive industry. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of the Ciaz, from its exterior design and interior comfort to its performance, safety features, and how it stacks up against competitors. Whether you're considering purchasing this vehicle or simply intrigued by its offerings, this detailed analysis aims to provide all the information you need. Exterior design. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Ciaz presents a harmonious blend of elegance and modernity. Its sleek silhouette is accentuated by a prominent front grille, flanked by newly designed LED projector headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lights. These elements not only enhance visibility but also contribute to a sophisticated front fascia. The sculpted bonnet and aerodynamic lines running along the sides add a dynamic flair, while refreshed alloy wheels further elevate its road presence. At the rear, LED taillights accompanied by a chrome strip on the boot lid impart a touch of refinement, culminating in a design that is both timeless and contemporary. Interior comfort and features. Stepping inside the Ciaz reveals a cabin designed with a focus on comfort and convenience. The spacious interior offers ample legroom and headroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for all occupants. High-quality materials adorn the seats and dashboard, providing a premium feel. The driver-centric cockpit features a tilt-adjustable steering wheel, although it's worth noting that reach adjustment is absent, which may limit customization of the driving position for some. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the SmartPlay Studio infotainment system, equipped with a floating touchscreen interface. This system supports smartphone integration, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, and hands-free calls. Automatic climate control ensures a pleasant cabin environment, while rear AC vents cater to the comfort of backseat passengers. Additionally, features like keyless entry, push-button start, and a rear-view camera enhance the overall convenience and user experience. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Ciaz houses a 1.5-litre K15B petrol engine, delivering 105 horsepower and 138 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic, catering to different driving preferences. The powertrain is designed to offer a balance between performance and fuel efficiency, with an approximate mileage of 20 km/L, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long drives alike. On the road, the Ciaz provides a composed and comfortable ride. The suspension system adeptly absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a smooth journey even on uneven surfaces. The steering is light, facilitating easy maneuverability in urban settings, though it may lack the feedback desired by enthusiasts during spirited driving. Overall, the Ciaz prioritizes comfort and ease of driving, aligning with its role as a family sedan. Safety features. Safety remains a paramount concern in the 2025 Ciaz. The vehicle comes equipped with dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and ISOFIX child seat anchors as standard across all variants. Higher trims offer additional safety features such as a rear view camera, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt pretensioners. The inclusion of a high-speed alert system and seatbelt reminders underscores Maruti Suzuki's commitment to passenger safety. Dimensions and practicality. The Ciaz measures 4,490 mm in length, 1,730 mm in width, and 1,485 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,650 mm. These dimensions translate to a spacious interior, providing generous legroom for rear passengers. The sedan boasts a ground clearance of 170 mm, which is adequate for most road conditions, including speed bumps and rough patches. The boot space stands at 510 liters, accommodating luggage for family trips with ease. A fuel tank capacity of 43 liters ensures fewer stops on long journeys, enhancing its practicality as a daily driver and a travel companion. Variants and pricing. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Ciaz is available in multiple variants to suit diverse customer preferences. The lineup includes the base Sigma, mid-level Delta and Zeta, and the top-tier Alpha. Each variant offers a distinct set of features, allowing buyers to choose according to their needs and budget. Pricing is competitive within the segment, with the base model starting at approximately a superscript 19.40 lakh and the top variant priced around a superscript 112.30 lakh. Showroom. This pricing strategy positions the Ciaz as an attractive option for those seeking value without compromising on essential features. Competitor comparison. In the mid-size sedan segment, the Ciaz faces competition from models like the Honda City, Hyundai Verna, and Skoda Slavia. Compared to the Honda City, the Ciaz offers a more spacious interior and better fuel efficiency, though the City boasts a more powerful engine and a more extensive feature list. The Hyundai Verna impresses with its modern design and advanced technology features, but the Ciaz provides a more comfortable ride quality. The Skoda Slavia brings European styling and robust build quality to the table, yet the Ciaz stands out with its superior fuel economy and lower maintenance costs. Each of these competitors has its strengths, but the Ciaz's blend of space, efficiency, and comfort makes it a compelling choice in this segment. Ownership and maintenance. Maruti Suzuki's extensive service network across India ensures that Ciaz owners have easy access to maintenance and support services. The brand's reputation for reliability and affordable maintenance costs adds to the appeal of owning a Ciaz. Routine service intervals are standard, and the availability of genuine spare parts is widespread, contributing to a hassle-free ownership experience. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki offers warranty packages that provide peace of mind, covering various aspects of the vehicle for a specified period or mileage, whichever comes first. Fuel efficiency and environmental impact. The 1.5-liter petrol engine in the Ciaz is engineered for fuel efficiency, achieving approximately 20 km/L under standard driving conditions. This efficiency not only translates to cost savings for the owner but also results in a lower environmental footprint. The engine complies with the latest emission norms, incorporating technologies that reduce harmful emissions. For environmentally conscious buyers, the Ciaz presents a responsible choice without sacrificing performance or comfort. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Ciaz offers a driving experience tailored to comfort and ease. The engine delivers power smoothly, making acceleration linear and predictable. While it may not be the quickest in its class, the Ciaz handles city traffic and highway cruising with equal aplomb. The cabin remains well insulated from external noise, contributing to a serene environment during travel. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, aided by large windows and well-placed mirrors, enhancing confidence during maneuvers. Infotainment and connectivity. The SmartPlay Studio infotainment system serves as the technological hub of the Ciaz's interior. The floating touchscreen interface is intuitive, with crisp graphics and responsive touch controls. Smartphone integration is seamless, supporting both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing users to access their preferred apps and services effortlessly. The sound system delivers clear audio quality, enhancing the enjoyment of music and calls. USB ports and Bluetooth connectivity provide additional options for media and device integration, ensuring occupants remain connected and entertained throughout their journey. Comfort and convenience features. Beyond the basics, the Ciaz is equipped with a range of features designed to enhance comfort and convenience. The automatic climate control system maintains the desired cabin temperature with minimal input, while the rear sunshade offers respite from harsh. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.